Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to assign special questions to each student using Google Classroom. So the situation that we have for this video is there are two students in my Google Classroom that have failed the test, and now I have to assign, say, special assignments to each student. So let's get started. So now this is here I've opened the Google Classroom, and I'm going to be going to my maths class 9. And to create an assignment, you have to click on classwork, then you have to click on create, then you click on assignment. This is a title, so this is going to be the re-examination paper. I'm going to name this instructions. Please solve the paper carefully. And I'm going to take it from my Google Drive. I have the paper one for the student here. So this is the paper one. You can select various files that you want and then click on insert. Here you can see that the file has been uploaded. Then you can select whether the students can view the file, can he edit it, or can he make a copy. So if you want, you can keep it as a view for the student so that the student does not make any changes in the question paper. Now we're going to head to the other side. Now this you have to select the class that you are. Since this is a maths class, it's going to be in this one. Then you have to select the all students. Now I'm going to say the student 1 has failed the maths paper. So I want to only assign this paper 1 PDF for student 1. So you just have to click on all students so that it deselects all the options, and then you click on student 1. Then you're done. So now this makes sure that this assignment or this paper that has to be solved is only assigned to student 1. Then you can select, say, a due date, March 23rd. I'm going to keep it at 24th. Say time as 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Enter. The time has been, if you want, you can select a topic. If you're not created, you can create a topic also. But for now, I'm just going to keep it empty. If you want, you can add a rubric, something. And now we are done. Now we have to just go ahead and assign the paper. So here you can either assign it now, schedule it, save as a draft, or if you can discard it. For now, we're just going to go ahead and assign it. Here you can see that the paper has been assigned to the student. Now, if you go back to your main stream, here you can see Aryan Irani posted a new assignment re-examination paper only for student 1. So this is how you can assign special papers or question papers or etc. to only selected students in your class. If you want, you can go ahead. We will take one more example. You can click on assignment. You can keep this the same re-examination paper, and now same instructions. Please solve the paper carefully. Same thing I'm going to add. Now I have the paper number 2. I assigned the paper number 1 to the student 1. I'm going to assign the paper 2. You can select anyone and then click insert. Then the same thing, you can either allow them to view the file, edit, or make a copy. Then it's going to be same thing. Then here, this is the part where to pay attention. You have to click on all students, and I have assigned it to the student 1. The other students in the class have passed the paper, and this is the re-examination paper. So I'm going to be clicking on student 2, and this paper will be assigned to only student number 2. Due date, I think I'm going to keep it the same, 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Topic, no topic for now. Again, you can assign it, schedule it, or save it as a draft, but I'm going to be assigning it right now. And here you can see that two papers have been assigned to two special students. But the students whom the paper has not been assigned, they won't see any form of assignment, whether it is a re-examination paper or no. The Only the selected students will be able to see the re-examination paper. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have understood how to assign special assignments to special students using Google Classroom. See you next time with another video.